Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Wednesday, May 27th. We've had another wonderful day yesterday, and it looks like today might be more of the same. So hopefully you took my advice from yesterday's good morning video and were active outside. I'm not intending to give you a lot of work this week. I want you to enjoy that outside, beautiful weather, whatever you're choosing to do, enjoy it, right, with just a little bit of math work thrown in. I just think you probably were having a lot better time yesterday than I was with some reading and ELA training that I had to attend. Yes, I'm teaching some ELA next year, just a little bit. Anyways, let's take a look at your work today. I just wanted to reiterate or say again some of our work from yesterday. So going into our Google here, okay, you only have one part to do. It's the same part from yesterday, and that is your end of the module assessment. It's in a Google form. You have all week to complete it. But I wanted to mention, more importantly, the Google Meets this week. There are 3 of them. One is later today, right, starting at 1 o'clock, and it's posted there, as well as it's posted on yesterday's Monday Google Classroom. Section 2, where you're talking about the multiplying of fractions, if you need some assistance, from 1 to 1:30. Section 3, which is 1:30 to 2 in the afternoon, that is focusing on the multiplying and dividing of decimals. And Section 4, that one is, I can't think off the top of my head in front of me, but that one is at 2 to 2:30. And please, if you need some assistance, come at that time. Right now, we only have 3 individuals who've signed up for all of our Google Meets. I only have 1 for today. So if you are working on it, figuring, I need some help, this is the time to do it. Thursday's sessions or Google Meet is starting at 1 o'clock as well. We'll be looking at Section 5, and Section 6 is at 1:30. And then the last, typically the most challenging one, is the word problems. That is Friday from Section 7, and that's a little bit earlier just because of how things played out with my schedule and band, orchestra, and all the other Google Meets. So that's at 12 to 1. I also wanted to point out that if you are wanting to join me, our Sign Up Genius wasn't quite working, so I have a Google form. There's the link right in here. I also have it down below. And you can also, I posted in here your other resources, my YouTube channel as well as Mr. H's. Again, reach out to me if you have some questions and need some help. Right? That Google Meet, again, is going to be really, really beneficial. Right? So good luck. And I'll be sharing this also with your parents on Blooms and in emails, just so that they are aware that you do have the opportunity to come and join my Google Meets. As always, I miss you. You're the greatest. And I will talk to you tomorrow.